Going over a concept called rabbit hole research. It's essentially this idea where all we need is one article, and from that one article, we can sort of get infinite amounts of research for an argument. So how exactly does rabbit hole research work? Pretty much we highlight important pieces of an article, we copy and paste those sort of highlighted portions, and then we re-enter them into Google. That's going to give us a whole lot of really specific search results that are going to support whatever claim we're trying to make, and it's a way to sort of find results that we wouldn't have found otherwise. So how does that work in this specific example? Well, in the last video we determined that the line "candidates ignore every non-competitive state" is a potentially interesting argument, right? So in rabbit hole research, what we would do is that we would just copy and paste this statement, right? Add maybe the word electoral college, which is something from the topic, and then press enter. Right, when we press enter, we get a whole lot of targeted results that we wouldn't have seen otherwise. How do we determine what might be potentially useful? Well, let's look at the titles, right? 9.4 myths about the small states, national popular vote. This seems like it's potentially interesting, but it doesn't seem very argumentative. It just seems like a list of facts. I'm just going to skip it for now. Small states are ignored because of the current state by blah blah blah. This also seems similar to the first video in that it seems like a fact, it doesn't seem like an argument. I'm not that interested. This third article is really interesting though, right? It says, the Electoral College's real problem. It's biased toward the... This seems like something that's building off exactly the point the first author was going to make. I'm going to click on it, I can skim it another time, and sort of repeat this process, right? So that's essentially rabbit hole research in a nutshell. Sort of skim an article, find the important parts of the article, find the one sentence argument, and just copy and paste it again in Google.